morning to all. Today we are starting Unit 2. In Unit 2 we are having two chapters. They are operations on single random variable and second chapter is multiple random variable. In operations on single random variable, the topics are expectation of random variable, moments about the origin, central moments, variance and skew, Chebyshev inequality, moment generating function, characteristic function, transformation of random variable. And these are topics comes under the operations on single random variable. Multiple random variable is the second chapter in Unit 2 and the topics are vector random variable, joint distribution function, properties of joint distribution, marginal distribution function, conditional distribution and density, that is point conditioning, interval conditioning, statistically independence, sum of two random variables, sum of several random variables, central limit theorem, and unequal distribution, equal distribution. Okay, operations on single random variable means in previous unit we have studied the concept of random variable, and in this unit 2 we are going to be apply the different operations on the random variables, that is in single random variable. And multiple random variable is nothing but that you are going to be extend the concept of random from single random variable to more than single random variable. We are going to be apply more than single random variable for an event present in the sample space. That's why you can call this one as in multiple random variables. So textbooks to be referred for this unit. So number 1, probability random variables and random signal principles, and the author is Peebles. And number 2, probability theory and stochastic processes, that is Y. Mallikarjuna Reddy. And the first book, that is the Peebles, so it is used to learn the exact concept of the probability of random variables. And textbook 2, it is used to solve the huge number of problems. Okay, operations on single random variable. Previously we defined a random variable as a mapping from the sample space to the real line. So random variable we will be getting just by mapping from the sample space to the real line. So we will now introduce some operations on the random variable. Most of these operations are based on the concept, that is an expectation. So expectation is very major concept which is used in an operations on the single random variable. Expectation is the name given to the process of averaging of a random variable x. The following are equivalents, that is number 1, expectation or expected value of random variable x, which we use the notation, that is expectation of x. So this is the notation which is used for the expectation. The mean value of the random variable of x, the statistical average of the random variable of x. The following notations are equivalents. That is expectation of x equal to x bar. So this is for the mean value. Expectation value of a random variable. In generally, x bar equal to summation xi belongs to sx, xi into probability of x equal to xi, where each value of the random variable x of xi is weighted by the probability of p of x equal to xi. This motive the concept of expected value or mean value of random variable of x. Here, so the following equation, that is the expectation of x equal to x bar, that is equal to summation xi belongs to sx xi into probability of xi if x is a discrete value. Next, expectation of x equal to x bar, that is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x into fx of x into dx if x is continuous value with probability density. So here this function is represented for the continuous and the value, and this one represent for the discrete values. Next one, expectation value of a function of random variable. If the g of x is a real function of x, then the expected value of g of x for a continuous random variable x is defined as, that is, expectation of g of x is equal to integral minus infinity g of x into fx of x into dx. And for a discrete random variable x is defined as expectation of g of x equal to summation I equal to 1 to n g of xi into probability of xi. Next concept, that is in moments. There are two types of moments for the function of random variable x. Number one, moments about the origin. Number two, moment about the mean or central moment. So moment about the origin, let g of x be a real function of the random variable x such that, so g of x equal to x power of n, where n equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Then we define the nth moment, that is mn, as, so here moment about the origin can be represented as an mn, where mn equal to expectation of x power of n, that is equal to integral minus infinity x power of n into fx of x into dx. So clearly now, so here n represents the order of a particular moment about the origin. So here if n equal to 0, then m0, that is equal to expectation of x power of 0, that is equal to integral minus infinity x power of 0 fx of x into dx. So x power of 0 it becomes 1, then integral minus infinity fx of x dx is equal to 1. That is, so this function can be defined as the area of the function of the density function. Next m1, so here now I am representing n equal to 1, therefore m1 equal to expectation of x1, that is equal to integral minus infinity x into fx of x into dx, that is equal to x bar. Then it is the expectation of x. So here it represent, or it is in the form of expectation of x. Next one, moment about the mean or central moment. Let g of x be a real function of random variable of x such that g of x is equal to x minus x bar whole power of n for n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then the expectation of g of x is called moment about the mean of the random variable x. It is denoted as mu n. Mathematically, the nth central moment of x is given as mu n equal to expectation of x minus x bar whole power of n, that is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity of x minus x bar whole power of n into fx of x into dx. The mn moments are expected value about the origin. However, the central moment mn is moment or expected value about the mean or average x bar. Therefore, mu naught equal to expectation of x minus x bar whole power of 0 equal to integral minus infinity x minus x bar whole power of 0 fx of x into dx, that is equal to 1. Means it defines the area of the function of a density function, where mu1 equal to expectation of x minus x bar whole power of 1, that is equal to expectation of x minus expectation of x bar. So expectation of x can be written as x bar, and this one also can be written as x bar. At last it is equal to 0. So next concept is variance. The second central moment mu2 is so important, that is given the name variance and have the special notation sigma x square. Thus the variance is given by sigma x square equal to mu2, that is equal to expectation of x minus x bar whole square, that is equal to integral minus infinity x minus x bar whole square into fx of x into dx. So it represents the variance skew. The skew of the density function fx of x for a random variable x is defined as the third central moment, that is mu3 of x. It is defined as, that is mu3 equal to expectation of x minus x bar whole power of 3. So it represents the skew. Characteristic function. The characteristic function of a random variable x, that is x of omega equal to integral minus infinity into fx of x into e power j omega x into dx. A function of the real variable minus infinity less than omega less than infinity, where it is where it will be defined. Moment generating function. The moment generating function of a random variable x, that is mx of v equal to expectation of e power of vx, a function of the real variable that defines minus infinity less than v less than infinity, mx of v equal to integral minus into infinity fx of x into e power of vx into dx, where mn equal to d power of n mx of v by dvn, where so v equal to 0. The moment generating function may not exist for all random variables and all values of v. Okay, in this video lecture we have studied about the operations applied on the single random variable. Okay, and thank you.